Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nancy Andino and I am a licensed clinical social worker in the states of New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania with specialties in Gestalt therapy, trauma therapy, addictions therapy, and breath and body work. We decided to start this channel to have a place where our webinar offerings can have a home and short videos can be shared with a community that believes that and understands that mental health is everything and it impacts every aspect of our human lives. We focus on serving the global majority and try our best to provide feedback and information in layman's terms and in a manner that you can understand and practice applying in real life. The information we will share, it is not to be used as a substitute for mental health services. We wish to provide a space that can nurture curiosity and a way to get you closer to the right questions that can get you real answers to support your wellness needs. Feel free to ask questions and make recommendations on mental health topics you wish to know more about. And I'm looking forward to this new experience. See you soon.